Shark Performance-Powered Lift-Away Upright Vacuum UV2500 in Nordic Blue reviews. If you want a vacuum that delivers serious power, handles pet hair with ease, and keeps your home smelling fresh, the Shark Performance-Powered Lift-Away Upright Vacuum UV2500 is designed to stand out. Finished in a sleek Nordic blue, this model combines advanced cleaning technology with smart user-friendly features. Ultra-powerful cleaning. At the core of the UV2500 is ultra-powerful suction built to clean your entire home. From thick carpets to hard floors and above-floor areas, this vacuum provides impressive pickup, especially when dealing with stubborn pet hair. It's made for busy households that need consistent, reliable performance. Duo Clean Power Fins Hair Pro. The Duo Clean Power Fins Hair Pro system uses a two-brush roll design that digs deep into carpets while maintaining direct contact with hard floors. Dirt, debris, and hair are captured in every pass without hair wrapping around the brush roll. That means less maintenance and more efficient cleaning. Odor control and allergen protection. One standout feature is odor neutralizer technology, which helps guard against bad odors inside the vacuum so your home stays fresher after every clean. Combined with anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, this vacuum traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside, making it an excellent choice for allergy-sensitive homes. Powered liftaway and maneuverability. With powered liftaway, you can detach the pod for motorized cleaning under furniture, or remove the nozzle to clean stairs, upholstery, and above-floor areas. Advanced swivel steering allows smooth movement around furniture, corners, and tight spaces, while LED headlights reveal hidden debris and pet hair you might otherwise miss. Convenience and accessories. The Easy Empty Dust Cup lets you eject debris quickly without touching the mess. Included tools make this vacuum even more versatile: a pet crevice tool, wide upholstery tool, Hair Pro self-cleaning pet power brush, dusting brush, precision duster, and a small accessory bag for storage. Final verdict. Overall, the Shark Performance-Powered Lift-Away UV2500 delivers powerful suction, advanced pet hair pickup, odor control, and flexible cleaning for every surface in your home. For current pricing, full specifications, and availability, check the product link in the description and the pinned comment.